Hi everyone, welcome back. This is KylaTea. I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. I actually just wanted it to be more of a regular speed draw, but I have to kind of preface it with this. So this is kind of like a design I was thinking about doing, or a series I was thinking about doing for Valentine's Day, because you gotta kind of hop on that stuff now. We're getting toward the end of January. And you can kind of tell that this wasn't really planned. And at a point, I got kind of frustrated with my color decision and like what I wanted to do design wise. So I kind of cut off the video at a point. So it's not a full showing of the process, but pretty much you get like the inking stage and kind of like me coloring a bit, because I also wanted to do the sketch stage, but the sketching was something else too, and it ended up being something entirely different than I wanted it to be. But I did kind of want to just show you all a part of the process of what I go through with my art if it's not completely planned out, how like I change things up. And one thing that I do recommend, especially like if you don't really know what colors to do in certain pieces that are simple like this, I would recommend, especially if you're using Photoshop, just use the color overlay function with your special effects kind of things in the layers. Use that because that does help a lot. It kind of will help you, especially if you're feeling very indecisive and you don't know what range you want to go with. Like I might have her be pink in this version and then maybe make one that's all red or one that's all purple or more pastel. So I made sure to keep certain colors like her nails on a separate layer and her hair on a separate layer, so it wouldn't affect the skin color that I had picked for her. So yeah, just wanted to let you know sorry, just wanted to let you guys know why this might seem really odd and why it might cut off at a certain point. But when you see the final result, then please let me know what you think about it. Like I said, this was very off the cuff, so I'll just leave and yeah, enjoy the video. So here's the final product. As we can see, it ended up being a lot pinker than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be red, but I kind of thought about it, and it's initially pink, and I personally am not a fan of the color pink. But you know what? It's Valentine's Day, and like I said, I might switch up the colors a bit. But please, guys, let me know what you think. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, that's okay. You can give me a thumbs down. You won't hurt my feelings. But if you really like what I'm doing here so far, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Various links on how to contact me during different social medias. Not during, but in different social media. Sorry, I can't talk tonight. Links for that are in the description, including my Instagram, my Facebook, and also my Ko-fi page. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.